Vegan wholemeal lasagna. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 6 tomatoes in half and place in a blender. Blend tomatoes to a smooth puree. Chop 1 onion finely. Crush 4 garlic cloves. Slice 10 button mushrooms. Grate 1 carrot. Remove the leaves off 1 bunch of basil. Place 3 tablespoons of tomato paste in a bowl. Place 2 cups of red lentils in a bowl. Open 1 packet of wholemeal lasagna sheets. Pour 2 cups of soy milk into a jug and 4 cups of vegetable stock in a jug. The ingredients are now ready to cook. Bring a pot of water to the boil and add the lasagna sheets. Heat a frying pan and saute the onion and garlic. Add 2 cups of red lentils and the pureed tomato. Add 4 cups of vegetable stock. Add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix well over a high heat. Add the mushrooms and grated carrot. Add half the basil leaves. Stir, then simmer, cover for 10 minutes. To make the bechamel, add 2 tablespoons of wholemeal flour and stir. Add half a cup of soy milk and stir until smooth. Then add another half a cup of soy milk and stir continuously. Continue adding half a cup of soy milk and each time mix until smooth. The bechamel should be a smooth, thick, creamy texture. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg and stir. The ingredients are now ready to assemble. Remove the lasagna sheets from the water. Cut the cooked lasagna sheets into 3 pieces. Place 1 piece onto a plate. Spoon over some red lentils. Spoon over some bechamel. Add some basil leaves and another sheet of lasagna. Repeat with the red lentil mixture and bechamel. Top with fresh basil leaves and serve.